Welcome to Sunhub Sales Portal Tutorials. In this tutorial, we cover how you can create a private deal for a customer. Log into the portal using your credentials. On the left side of the screen, click on Private Listing under Manage Deal Listings. This view will give you multiple options to create your private deals. Let's take an example of creating a solar panel deal in this scenario. Click on the Start Listing button. Type in the part number. Doing so will fetch all the important details of that solar panel. Please quickly go through all the fetched details to ensure that all the details are correct. After that, click on Inventory Calculator and select megawatts or number of pieces as per your preference. Type in the amount. Doing so will give you useful information related to quantity, such as equivalent pallets and containers. This feature will also give you total watts, panel weight, pallet weight, and total weight. Once you have confirmed that all the details are as per your requirement, click on the Update Value button. You will get a confirmation on the top of the screen that data has been filled in the Quantity on Hand section successfully. You can also select Future Production Quantity. After selecting this option, you can open the Availability Date calendar and select a date as per your requirement. Let's go back to selecting Quantity on Hand. When you scroll down a bit, on the right side of your screen, you will see Wind Load, Length, and Company Tier. Please select the correct options from their drop-down menus to proceed further. Now you will see a pricing section with price per watt, cost price, and MOQ fields. Under the MOQ field, you have the option to select between panels, pallets, containers, and megawatt. Please select the correct option and fill in all details. The next step is to fill in all the details in the section for inventory location. Make sure you fill in all the details correctly. You also have the functionality to fill in additional terms, where you can type in cable type, days of inspection of goods, and connector type. There is an empty text box available for any payment terms that you want to add in this section. Delivery schedule and warranty are automatically fetched. Please verify all the details before you proceed further. You can also select add-on services if required. You can add multiple add-on services by clicking on the plus sign as you go. You can select the service type, type in the description of this service, and the dollar amount associated with that additional service. Scroll further down to see the banking information to receive payments. Fill in all the text fields and double-check all the information here before you proceed further. You can add up to 8 product images under the section called Product Images and Documents on your right side towards the top of this private listing view. Please select the relevant deal status. Once you have Save and Continue. Once you do, you will see the notification on top of your screen that says Deal Created Successfully, and you will view all the private deals that you have listed, along with their ID, product title, seller price, status, created date, update date, and relevant actions that you can perform with these private deals. You can make the edits if required and then click on Save and Continue button again to save those edits. Thank you for watching this tutorial.